Hello, we're just going to go over a quick tutorial on how to both delete printers and then also the big thing is add them from iPrint. Sometimes there are driver updates that need to be installed and you need to delete the old printer and reinstall it. So we'll just get going. So in Windows 10, the easiest way to do it is to hit your Windows button, go to Settings, go to Devices, and then printers and scanners, and you'll see a list of the printers you have access to currently. They're named oftentimes by their location, so things like HLab stands for the Hall Lab on the second floor in the link. Link 2 is link second floor, NS is network services, print shop is print shop. Then the brand HP Konica, and then the model number M602, 554E, C224E. That's the naming conventions we use. And then you see that on IPP://iPrint. That means that it's being managed by our print server here on campus, and which gives us some flexibility as far as reporting is concerned and also kind of troubleshooting where the issues are. For this one, we're going to remove my version of the link to HP M602 and then reinstall it over iPrint. You can also skip the removal part if you're adding another printer and just reinstall it over iPrint. That works as well. So the first thing I'll do is click on the printer, click remove device, click yes. Windows removes it. Simple enough. Then we're going to open up our browser. You can use Chrome or Internet Explorer or Edge or Firefox, doesn't really matter. And I'm going to go to iprint.mlc-wells.edu/IPP. That'll take you directly to the printer listing screen. If you go to just plain old iPrint, mlc-wells.edu, you'll get this page, but you can get to iPrint printer installation page. It gives you the same page. I usually just go to iPrint printer installation page, IPP. And I'm going to scroll this list. You can see it gives you the name of the printer, the location, and then also a description, which is usually what features do they have. So common is black and white, which is just black, and duplex, which means you can print front to back. Sometimes they'll have staple if they're able to staple. Some of them can staple and punch, or staple and fax. That's just the business one. That's how you can read this listing here. I'm going to scroll down to, which one did I delete? I deleted the link, second floor. Okay, link to HP M602, so this is on the link second floor hall, black and duplex. Go ahead and click on it. It's going to either prompt you to please allow this to open up the iPrint installation application, or it'll pop up this box here. Do allow if Chrome or your browser pops up saying, do you really want to allow this to happen? Please do that. Then on this resulting dialog box, if it's a printer you want to be your default, you can set it as the default, or you can just click yes, you do want to install it. It's going to download the driver from our server. This can take a while in certain instances, and then install that printer. If we go back to that resulting printer and scanners page, you'll see here's link to HP M602. That is installed and ready to go. So I can then use it from any application on my device to print to. Periodically, like I said, there's going to be some driver updates that need to happen, and then in that case you do need to remove the device and then reinstall it through the iPrint printer installation portal. So thanks a lot, and if you have any questions or run into any problems, please stop in or email network services so that we can help you out as soon as we can. Thanks.